Here's a medical phenomenon that we can't explain. It's called the death stare or the death reach. So in this video, I'm actually going to show 2 real-life videos of people doing the death stare and actually talking to someone that we don't see, and the death reach. So trigger warning, these are going to be real videos that are not my patients, and I did get permission to share. And just as a disclaimer, I want you guys to understand that the reason I show these is because it's important to see what death and dying actually looks like. So trigger warning, let's see the video.
Praise the Lord for bound and fatal patience of war, how round the world has.
So as you can see in that video, she is just staring up at the ceiling and speaking to someone and smiling and having a full-on conversation with someone that we don't see. That is one of the medical phenomena that we see at the end of life. People staring at something that we don't see, and then sometimes even having a conversation or saying the word mom or saying their husband's name. I've seen this time and time again. Now there is a difference because at the end of life, almost everyone will have their eyes open and not be making eye contact. This is different than that. This is when we are clearly seeing them looking and making eye contact with something or someone that we don't see. The end of life, the thing that everyone has is when their eyes are open because it takes muscles to close people's eyes. So when you're dying, those muscles are relaxed and your eyes are open and not really making eye contact with anyone or anything. So that is different than the death stare. Okay, so the second video is a video of the death reach. In this video, you're going to see a man just reaching up his arms, and this happens all the time. We don't know why. They sometimes are talking to someone. Sometimes it looks like they are going to hug someone or reach for someone's hand. Sometimes there's a smile on their face. I've seen this several times watching people die, and we don't know why it happens, but it does, so I like to talk about it. So trigger warning, here's the video. Okay, so as you see in that video, he is clearly reaching up. Sometimes people can confuse the death reach, where someone's clearly reaching up to touch someone or something that we can't see, with terminal agitation. Terminal agitation would be them flailing their arms or picking at sheets or picking at their clothes. Much different than the death reach. I like to make a distinction between the two. So again, with all the different medical phenomena that can happen at the end of life, we don't know why this happens, but we see it enough that I like to educate about it so you guys know it's normal. So let me know your experience. Have you had someone do the death stare, talk to someone who's not there, reach up like they're hugging someone who isn't there? Let me know if you witnessed this, what you think about it, and share it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more death and dying information.